Just getting.
Ooh, that's a bad one.
You. Okay, so Greensprings doesn't look good either. It's not bad. It's just these people here.
Well, you have to remember they probably got that way last night, and the worst of it.
Okay, now don't know what to get in your car.
I know, you would think they would come back to their cars and get their cars. You're going to have to at some point. But it could be that they just can't get anybody to tow them out either.
You don't need to tow it out. Just walk through and drive on.
Well, those kind, yeah, that's true.